What makes the bar of our Sikla pipe shoe so special in connection with height adjustability? Firstly, we offer our Sikla pipe shoes with 3 different types of bar: HV90, HV150 and HV200. Secondly, the height of the clamp can additionally be changed by a variable height adjustment. But what exactly is it about the height adjustability and the different types? First of all, find the appropriate HV type. The HV value indicates the height from the upper edge of the support to the lower edge of the pipe in the delivery state. If you have pipes without insulation, use HV90. You need HV150 and HV200 in 2 cases. First, you have thick insulation that is too thick for the HV90 type to be sufficient, or second, you need to prevent the heat of the medium from reaching the base plate of the pipe shoe. Because the longer the bar, the less heat arrives at the bottom of the slide plate. The application of height adjustability is particularly relevant on the construction site. The composition of the bar from 2 components offers the possibility of compensating for construction tolerance of up to 25 mm upwards and downwards in a grid of 2.5 mm. The height is always preset to the specified HV values.